In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show all milestones of a project in Asana. If you're managing projects in Asana and want to keep track of all the important milestones, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through this simple but invaluable process that will help you oversee your project more effectively. Let's dive in. First, we'll start directly within your Asana project. Head over to the Overview tab. This is your project's central hub, displaying key information. So it's a great place to begin anytime you want to get a quick glance at how things are progressing. Once you're in the Overview tab, you need to scroll all the way down to the very bottom. Here, at the end of the page, you will spot a comprehensive list of all the milestones that the project has. This is an easy and straightforward way to view your milestones without any hassle. By checking them here, you can quickly assess the major goals your team is working towards and how far along you are in achieving them. Now, let's explore another effective method that involves using filters. This approach is not only useful for milestones, but can be adapted for other specific views you might want within your projects. For this, make sure you're in the list view of your project. The list view is particularly helpful as it offers you a detailed and organized look at all tasks. Once you're in list view, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the filter button. Go ahead and click on it. What we're going to do next is add a filter specifically for milestones. After clicking the filter button, you'll want to click on Add Filter. This lets you customize the view to show only the information you're interested in, which, in this case, is milestones. Now, select Task Type from the filter options provided. Task type is an important category because it allows you to differentiate between the different types of entries you have in your project. Once you've selected task type, choose milestone as your task type filter, and there you have it. This method will refine your list view to display only the milestones, allowing you to focus solely on these key achievements. You can use this technique whenever you need to hone in on the milestones quickly and efficiently. Those are the two main ways you can view all the project milestones in Asana. Whether you prefer the comprehensive snapshot from the Overview tab or the precision-focused list view using filters, you're now equipped to keep a close eye on all those important deadlines and goals. Thank you for watching, and happy project managing in Asana.